All right, so in this video, folks, what we're going to do is we're going to set up a unpublished dark post. Okay, dark post is whenever you launch an ad from your Power Editor. Okay, you're not going to your fan page and you're not setting up an ad on your fan page like we did previously. What you're doing for a dark post is you're actually creating it within your Power Editor. Okay, so you need to navigate to Power Editor. And the reason why we would do this over using published posts is for competition reasons. We don't like a lot of competition to find our products easily. If we launched our product on our public page, all of our competition would see it. Okay, if you're marketing a competitive product, so a lot of us like to launch it from here. Um, Another thing is the reason why we would like to do it is maybe you're promoting branded products or copyright products. It's a lot harder for people to find them, or obviously, people who want to do research on your store. It's harder for them to find it through, if you launch your ads this way. So this means that your ads will can stay up longer if you're promoting unbranded stuff, and if you don't really care about building a brand. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to do this anyways. Obviously, with this store, I want to build a brand and eventually, have it, as a long-term type of income stream, and also as an asset that I can actually sell later on down the road. But in the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, and also this is a website conversion ad that I'm going to set up. This is going to be a view content. So we're going to go through the gears, as I like to say. Um, normally I would start off with a PPE with this because it's also going to lower our conversion cost too as well. But since we've already done a video on setting up a PPE ad for the previous product, which is the iPhone, which by the way is not doing so well, I'm going to end up killing this entire setup and just monitoring these ads that I'm getting ready to set up here. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to go through create campaign, and I like to label it because I'm a nut like that, right? I like to have my stuff lined up. So 65, and then I'm gonna type in this product, entrepreneurs. This is going to be, and I'm also gonna split up my targets on this because I want to do mainly US. So you got US. That's all I need right there. Actually, do like Ty Lopez or something like that. All right, for this product. All right, now conversions is what you want to choose as the objective. Conversions. All right, 18 to 65 male. Again, the reason why I'm doing it this way is because I don't know what audience is gonna purchase this the most. I don't know if it's male or female. I have a feeling it's gonna be more male than female actually purchasing this item that I'm promoting. And then we have the ad name. I just put, like, if this is an image ad, I just put like image one. Because if I wanted the split test, that's another thing. And I would have several different ad names. So let's create. Boom, it's going to kick you here. Then you're going to go jump over to the ad set level. Then I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to go through my usual setup for this product. So I'm just going to go with like view contents. No, that's not one that I need. This is the one. Yeah. And then I'm going to do my $4 ads, and I'm going to launch this at midnight. And this is a US ad, 18 to 65, both male and female. I don't need to do anything with the languages because I'm marketing in the US. But since I said this is Ty Lopez, right, boom. Then I also don't want anyone from my page to see. So I want to exclude people who like my page because I don't want to remarket to the same people. And so I want to type in my page there. And I'm going to edit these placements. I want to do mobile only. I don't want to do audience networks. And I'm not going to do Instagram. I'm just going to do Facebook only. A lot of times, what you'll notice is like you can run them together, but a lot of times it does like favor one or the other. So sometimes you want to split those up, those different platforms. And you need to click this down arrow because otherwise you're going to have instant articles on there, and that doesn't look very well with an image ad. So next down here, I wouldn't even touch any of that. Conversion window. What I do for my conversion windows on a website conversion ad is if this product is anything above $20, then I'm going to do a 7-day clicks window, and the product that I'm marketing is above $20, so I'm going to do a 7 days click window. Okay, if it's not, if it's a like an impulse buy product or a hot product, you're going to want to do 1 day clicks windows because it's looking for clickers, it's looking for to optimize this ad within 1 day, but at the same time, if it's a hot product, it's gonna last. It's only gonna last and fizzle. It's a trendy product, right? But for longevity purposes, I always use 7-day clicks on pretty much all my ads. So I think I covered everything on here. View content. All right, then we're gonna go to this next ad section. You're gonna select your fan page like normal. You're gonna click on use existing. Okay, so let me explain this real quick. This is another form of creating a dark post ad. Okay, if you go through and you see it says create ad, and you choose with an ad image, right? And then you can go through the process and you can create the actual ad right here on the spot, right through the Power Editor. This will allow you to have a button, a call to action button that has like a shop now, blah blah blah. The only reason like I don't like doing these ads so much is because every time you duplicate or every ad set that you have on your page, if you don't know the ID to the actual ad, every single ad has its own unique. It's gonna be its own unique. So basically, if you had like 10 ads going to the same type of setup that you did here, it's going to be 10 separate ads. So whenever you get likes, comments, shares, blah blah blah, like it's gonna be on 10 separate ads instead of just one. So the benefit of this, if you were to do it this way, is that you will get more click-throughs, you will get more visitors to your site because it's a lot easier for them to click through just by creating an ad this way. However, I've had a lot more success by using existing posts and creating an unpublished post. This is where you hit this button right here, and then it has like a plus sign, right? It's gonna pop up just like how you would publish things on your wall, on your fan page. It does the same thing from the Power Editor. So this is what we call an unpublished post, which, as you can see, save unpublished post. Once you create this post, you cannot edit it. Once you hit save, that's it. So you better make sure that you put it up the proper way. Whatever emojis that you need, put them all in there like you need straight away. Where's the fire emoji? There it is. All right, so that's what it's gonna look like in this news feed. We're here. Boom. So that's pretty much done. It's needed to publish for me, and I'm gonna select that. It should automatically post. Now, when it comes to a dark post, you see where it says enter post ID. Sometimes you may not be able to find certain images and whatnot, but if you knew the post ID for that image or for that particular ad, you can type it in here. But we don't need to do that, obviously. Just giving you some nuggets on that. And they need to hurry up and show up my stuff. Okay, there it is. Boom. Boom. Okay, so that particular ad is done. And now I can go through and duplicate that ad out and create several different variations. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate. I may choose like, I'm going to set up a gang of different ads for this. Since I'm going to be killing these, I'm going to set up a gang of different ads for this. Oops. Dang it. I didn't mean to do that. I could So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and select this. I'm trying to make these Facebook ad videos a little shorter. I think that I'll do for a 12. I want to do UK, Australia, and the US ads with these targets that we're going to use. Um, but honestly, I want to run all my ads in the US as of right now, and then move over into different countries. So I'm just going to set up 10 ads. Now, I'm aggressive when it comes to this because I'm not trying to sit here and wait all month long to buy up the data to understand what's going to convert for this product. I'm just not. I don't have the patience for it. So um, you're going to spend a bunch up front when you do it this way, but you're going to find your targets a lot faster, which means that you can get to the gusto a lot quicker. But if you don't have the money to spend on testing this way, then you need to test slower. Okay, that's just the name of the game. Okay, so I kind of have an idea of what type of people would buy this product. I can do something like Les Brown. That's a target. Okay, this is a time is money. This is like in the make money niche, so I kind of know what to do. Gary V is a good audience. See, this is only I know these things off of it based off of experience. Time is money. Time is money. Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone. Gary V. Les Brown. Ty Lopez. Hmm. What else can I? Maybe some Eric Thompson. Even Floyd Mayweather, right? I would just put Mayweather. Mayweather. Who else can I think of? You could just put Robert Kiyosaki. Maybe. I don't know if that's gonna work. Robert Kiyosaki, I don't know. Because this might be geared towards like the younger crowd. So I can even put this like with the rappers too. Like just have a whole setup for rappers and see if that works too as a combo. What else can we do? Mm, really thinking. I don't know exactly what I would want. I'm just gonna leave these last two blank, and I'm gonna start from the top because I might have to rely on my suggestions to go and find more because I can't think of any more off the top of my head. So, I want to see, okay, Ty Lopez. I'm going to start from the top and work our way down. Okay, and literally all I'm doing is just changing the targets on each one of these. We don't need to change that one because obviously it is going to be Ty Lopez, but this one is going to be Grant Cardone, and I will go down the list. So I'm going to pause the video for that for the sake of recording, and all I'm going to do is just change the targets on there. All right, so at this point I've already done all 10 ads and I'm ready to upload. It's all scheduled to run at midnight. Right now it's 8:46 p.m. So I'm just going to hit review changes up here. I don't need that, and apply. All right, that's literally it. That's literally it for setting up the website conversion ads. That was a view content ad that I set up, and like I said, you have to go through the gears. Um, Make sure that, and my whole objective behind website conversion ads is that if I'm going to set up website conversion ads for view content, um, I want to make sure that I get some sales within that campaign. Okay, I want to make sure that I get some conversions within that campaign because I want to create a lookalike off of and those initial view contents going to the site. Okay, and so the only way to do that is obviously you got to run the traffic, right? And then figure out later if it's going to be even worth it to do a lookalike audience. See, that last ad that we put up, the iPhone ad, didn't do so well. Didn't even get comments, and I just felt like it was, I'm not willing to spend more time in testing that product. So definitely, um, definitely something that I'm not looking to pursue. So I just move on straight on to the next product and kill that ad. Okay, and no emotions need to be attached to this. Okay, this is your business, and if a product doesn't do well, in that case, hardly got any visitors to the site. Hardly got. We didn't even get any add to carts for the product. So evidently, a lot of people didn't like it. And plus, like I said, it was a low end product, and I just didn't want to spend more time promoting something that I don't feel like would have helped me in the long run. So, with that being said, I did set up an item, and we're going to see how it works out. Okay, I'm actually something that I'm passionate about, and at the same time, it's something that's a popular, trendy thing going on right now. So. But anyways, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more videos to come, but we're going to keep on plugging away.